Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 5, 6, 7 and 8 from practice exam 3 on chapter 6 and 7. Simplify. Square root of 36 x cube w to the power 7. We will rearrange the terms as follows. Square root of, we will leave the 36 as is, which is a square number. X cube we will write as x square times x. W to the power 7 we'll write as w to the power 6 times w. And then we will pick every square number and then we'll factor. We'll take the square root of the square number. The square root of 36 is 6. Square root of x square is x. Square root of w to the power 6 is w cube. Now within the radical, you write out the left out terms, which is x and w. Problem number 6. Write the following expression in radical form. It's cube root of 40 times x to the power 7 times y to the power 18. Because it is cube root, we are going to write every term inside, if possible, as a cube number times another number. So it is cube root of, so we'll write 40 as 8 times 5 because 8 is a cube number. Then x to the power 7 as x to the power 6 times x. Y to the power 18, we leave it as y to the power 18 because 18 is divisible by 3. So now, if we factor out only the cube numbers outside, that is cube root of 8, which can be written as 2, cube root of x to the power 6. So if you divide the exponent 6 by 3, you get a 2. So it is x square. Then w to the power 18, cube root of that is w to the power 18 divided by 3, which is a 6. We'll write out the left out terms inside the radical. Don't forget to put the cube root outside. So 5 is left out. 5. X is also left out. So it is 2x squared y to the power 6 times cube root of 5x. Problem number 7. Simplify. Square root of 27 plus 3 times square root of 12 minus 12 square root of 3. So we write square root of 27 as 9 times 3 plus 3 square root of 12 as 4 times 3 inside the radical minus 12 square root of 3. We will leave it just like that. It is square root of 9. That will be a 3 outside the radical. Inside the radical it is square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 4, which is a 2 outside. Inside it is square root of 3 minus 12 square root of 3. So thus we have 3 square root of 3 plus 6 square root of 3 minus 12 square root of 3. So they are all like terms. So it is 3 plus 6 minus 12 square root of 3. So it is negative 3 square root of 3. Problem number 8. Simplify. 6y square root of 20x cube plus x square root of 45xy square. We rewrite the terms as follows. 6y square root of, break the 20 as 4 times 5, x cube as x square times x. plus x. Write 45 as 9 times 5. X is x. Y square, you can leave it as y square. Now we take out the square numbers and remove the radical for those square numbers. So 4 is a square number, x square is a square number, 9 is a square number, y square is a square number. So we have 6y, square root of 4, that is a 2, which comes outside the radical. Square root of x square, that is an x, that comes outside the radical as well. So inside the radical you are left with 5x plus x. Square root of 9 is a 3 outside the radical. Square root of y square is a y outside the radical. Inside the radical you are left with 5x. Now these two terms are of the same kind. So we can write the coefficients and add them up. So which is 12xy plus 3xy times square root of 5x. So it is 15xy times square root of 5x. Hope this video helped.